Regional airline Fly 91 has launched its inaugural flight from Mopa to Agatti and back on Tuesday, with plans to begin commercial services from March 18. The airline claims to be the world's most well-capitalized regional carrier after securing $25 million in funding. Based out of Mopa's Manohar International Airport, Fly 91 intends to start flights to Lakshadweep in April and will also offer flights to Sindhudurg from Bengaluru and Hyderabad. The airline aims to commence commercial flights from Mopa to Agatti in mid-April, providing additional connectivity to the Lakshadweep archipelago beyond the existing Kochi-Agatti route operated by Alliance Air.
And our entire aim is actually on connecting Bharat. So as you see, our tagline says Bharat Unbound. We really want to get into the real Bharat. So as part of our growth plan, our first 6 aircrafts are going to be based at Goa's Mopa Airport, and we have just brought in our first 2 aircrafts, which is based out here. Over the next 6 months, 4 more aircrafts will be joining our fleet, and we are going to have 6 aircrafts based in Mopa, which is going to be base 1 for us. We are going to cover between 8 to 10 cities with these 6 aircrafts that are based in Mopa. Over the next 5 years, every year we are going to open a new base, and in every base we are going to place 6 to 7 aircrafts. So our 5-year plan is to actually induct a fleet of 32 to 35 aircrafts, each base covering between 8 to 10 cities. So at the end of 5 years, we would be covering 50 cities through 6 bases and about 35 aircrafts placed across the country.
Speaking at the launch event, Union Aviation Minister Jyotiraditya Scindia highlighted the growth of the aviation sectors in recent years, with multiple airlines launching and the Udan scheme facilitating aerial connections to Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities. He urged Fly 91 to strive for further success.
आणि आज हे दिवस पंतप्रधानांच्या नेतृत्वामध्ये नवीन आमची एअरलाईनची सुरुवात झाली आणि ते सुरुवातपणी गोवाच्या ऐतिहासिक मातीमध्ये झाली. मी सगळा आमचे फ्लाय 91 चे संपूर्ण परिवाराला शुभेच्छा देतो आणि मनापासून त्यांना मी शुभकामना देतो की हे एअरलाईनची सुरुवात चांगली झाली आहे, चांगला दिवसमध्ये झाली आहे आणि हे फ्लाय 91 मस्ट फ्लाय ॲज हाय ॲज पॉसिबल हे लक्ष्य घेऊन आता मी पोस्टरवरती पाहून राहिलेत की व्हील्स अप फॉर भारत अनबाउंड आणि त्याच्यामध्ये फ्लाय 91 चे योगदान होईल, हेच माझी कल्पनापणी आहेत.
इन फ्युचर अशा पद्धतीत आधीपूर्वी बी गोवन बेस्ड एअरलाइन्स सुरू जाते याची आशा व्यक्त करता. आज त्यांच्यानी गोवा टू अगाती ही सुरुवात केला. इन फ्युचर गोवा टू बेंगलोर, गोवा टू नांदेड, गोवा टू सिंधुदुर्ग ह्यो उडान स्किमीच्या अंतर्गत वेगवेगळ्यो ज्यो कनेक्टिंग स्मॉल सिटीज जेका आमी म्हणटा आणि ज्याची रुटीनची गरज आसा त्यो उडान स्कीमीच्या अंतर्गत त्यांनी सगळ्यो सिटीज घेवच्यो.
माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी ने पहले से ही कहा था कि जो बाकी जो छोटे छोटे एयरपोर्ट है, छोटे छोटे गांव है, छोटे छोटे आइलैंड्स है, उसकी कनेक्टिविटी के लिए हमें कुछ करना पड़ेगा. और पीएम के अपील को ध्यान में रखते हुए मनोज जी ने एक अच्छा स्टेप आगे बढ़ाया है और हम सबों ने उनको सपोर्ट करना हमारा कर्तव्य है, ऐसा मैं समझता हूँ. और जहाँ जहाँ कोई जरूरत पड़ेगी पूरी गोवा की सरकार और केंद्र की सरकार आपके साथ रहेगी.
The airline received its air operator permit from the aviation regulator DGCA on March 6, paving the way for its entry into the Indian aviation market. Fly 91's launch and expansion plans are expected to improve regional connectivity and offer more travel options for passengers in India. Dylan Rodriguez, Manish Parab and Nikhil Jalmi for Goa 365.